All right, y'all. So we're here at Cajun Drill. I got Chef Tootie here.
Welcome to Cajun Drill channel.
That's my girl. We got Chef Drill here. Tootie gonna put that milk up. We done with that. So, back to our handy dandy seasoning shelf. We have some chicken that we're gonna do. I got a little garlic pasta up in there we're gonna have with it. I'm gonna throw some broccoli in there with it. So I have some fresh garlic that we cut, green onion, and onion. We're not gonna use any bell pepper in this recipe. So Ariel, in here I need you to put some salt, pepper, roasted garlic. We have garlic, but I like that roasted garlic also. Turmeric. And use a little turmeric, just a little bit. Paprika. Alright, just pick it up. Okay. So she's gonna put that in there, y'all. That's good. That's enough turmeric. I want you to put that lemon pepper in there.
I love lemon pepper.
I love it. That's good.
Too much.
Put some paprika.
A little bit of paprika.
Alright. Then let's hit it last with a little Tony Sassrange. Over there. Tony Sassrange.
Oh.
Sassrange. I'm saying it all wrong, y'all. Hit it with that.
All seasoning.
All good. All good. Now,
this.
that's good. No, we're not going to use the Worcestershire sauce today. So then what I want you to do is to go ahead and mix that up. You can use that spoon. I'm saying use the spoon, that way you don't have to worry about getting your hands all dirty. Just mix it up real good. Alright, now I want you to come over here and put these seasonings in this pan. Put our pan back on. Be careful. Are you going to pick your cutting board up? Watch your head. Go ahead and put all that good stuff out. Be careful. Take your time. There you go. Alright, now put that down. Cut me a little butter in here. You're going to use the big spoon. Put me a little butter in that pan. There you go. Throw that in there. Alright, get your spoon and I want you to stir that up. Oh, that looks so good, y'all.
It smells good.
Oh, that looks so good. I'm going to sweat it out some. Sweat the vegetables. Alright, now I want you to get that chicken and throw it in there. There you go. Dump all that in there. Alright. Now I want you to go ahead and stir that. And you're going to let it sear.
See how I was doing quickly, guys? Wait for it.
Alright, let it sit.
Put it all together, guys. I like to put my stuff together where it can cook faster and it gets real good and juicy all together. As you don't know.
I have to turn my fire back up, y'all. Accidentally turn it down. Alright, I want you to stir it around.
You gotta turn it back around. Put this back together, guys.
Just stir it around. I want you to put it together. Just stir it. Alright, shake it a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Alright. We're going to let it sit and we're going to let that catch. Alright, let me see your spoon. My pasta over there, that's good. Stop shaking it. I got a little pasta going on over here. We're going to make this and I'm going to add me some cheese and stuff to it. I'm going to let that cream get thick. Yeah, that's going to be really good. So yeah, we're going to let that go in and cook in there. And I'll add the cheese to it later. Alright, I'm going to undo this. Come on over here. So now my pot is going. And like I said, all we doing is just grilling, searing us some chicken in the pot. I want it to sear So this is actually gonna go in with my pasta. I'm gonna cook this down. I may add some cheese to this. We're gonna let that cook. Okay. Tootie, give me the chicken broth. I get it. I forgot. I'm gonna get my chicken broth, y'all.
We got chicken broth, guys. So
add a little bit in that.
mixing it up. Yep.
Alright, now where my chicken broth go? I know I got some fresh chicken broth in here.
I don't know. We're gonna put it in the freezer then.
Y'all, I just really down here. They got me from the, oh no, I lied, y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't make this turn right. I used it. That's alright. Let that sear now. Let it sit on the sear real good. Watch your hand, don't never cross over like that. Let that sear down.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave it open some, guys. So I don't want it to burn up and mess it up. So let that sit down. Come back and check on my red pasta. Mix it up one more time, guys. Mix it up. Just mix it a little bit. So let that get. See how that's going. See that, guys? And then got some. We put milk, butter, and some that's how we put it in the pasta stack pack we made, pack that they got with us, and that's how we put in this. But y'all wondering if y'all was wondering. So yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna add a little water to this.
Then water.
I'm gonna let that cook down because I want that juicy. Make my own broth. So over here, and then I'm just gonna hit it with a little more, little Cajun seasoning more. That's all I did to it. Add a little bit more. I'm gonna let that cook down so that can be real tender. They still gotta cook. Show you what we're gonna do with that, y'all. So we're gonna let that cook down, y'all. So I'm gonna let that cook down. I'm gonna let my pasta cook. When we come back, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that pasta, mix it with my chicken. I have some provolone cheese and some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna work that together with this dish, and I'm gonna show you how this is gonna go with some broccoli added as well. Come back to us, okay? Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. All that good stuff. Like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. All right, baby.